Hey guys, J-Man here from Metal Sharks, and I'm really pumped up because I'm in St. Augustine, Florida, heading towards St. Augustine Beach. I'm about to go over a bridge ahead, so now I'm on the island at St. Augustine Beach, Anastasia Island, and I'm only a mile or so away from the pier parking lot. So I'm going to give it a whirl today. Greetings all, J-Man is here from Metal Sharks, and we're here at the St. Johns County Pier, and we're going to give it a whirl today. It's about in the mid-70s. There's a 30 to 50% rain chance this morning. It's Saturday, June 6th, so hopefully we can sneak one in under the rains. Okay, so I'm going to get the Knox 600 set up for the first time. So basically I'm just going to mash the on button. At least I know how to do that much, right? Okay, so I need to figure out how to get this in the beach mode. Okay guys, I'm not embarrassed to admit that I brought this laminated quick start book with me, getting started guide. Now I've got it in beach mode 1, and I'm going to try to get, I believe this is a sensitivity. I'm going to start out pretty high and see how that goes. And then the one thing I'm trying to remember how to do is get the noise cancellation done. I believe you hold it up and then I think you hit this button. So I don't know if I showed that to you. So it says -5, so I'm going with it. So I think I'm going to start off this hunt the same way my last hunt. And then I found a I-find toy for my nephew. He's about 3. I did find my first target here, which is a bottle cap, coming up as a 14-16. You can see it right there. Okay, so I'm really close to the pier on the south side of it. 20, 21. It's repeatable, different directions. I think it's about 8 inches, so let's get it. Hey, I've got my very first coin with the Minelab Equinox 600. So it's a real shiny penny. I think I can even read the year on it. It might be 2018, but I'll double check it. Union Shield design. So even though it's just a penny, I'm happy to get that first coin I ever found with the 600. So J-Man is back with you from Metal Sharks, and along the tow line, there's also a little bit of a drop-off where the high tide washes in. And I'm getting a 15 signal, so I think it could be a nickel. Also wanted to mention that it's starting to drizzle and I'm taking a chance here. I'm going to take a long jaunt down the beach and get up to my old honey hole spot, which I'll tell you at least it's south of the pier. So anyhow, I don't know if my honey hole is tapped out. Last time I was there around the Christmas holidays, I didn't find much, but I feel like I got to check it with the new machine if the rain holds off. Okay, something's in the pile. I think it's trash. Yeah. It's a bottle cap with stars, white stars on it. So as I'm working the wet area near the surf, testing out the 600, I'm noticing a line traced in the sand here. So that's basically, I think, where another metal detectorist was this morning, and went on down the beach. So at least I know where he's been. I saw him when I first got here. It was probably about 7 a.m. when I first got here. So J-Man is with you, and I'm getting a signal here, and it's kind of where the low tide line rises up to the higher beach area, about halfway up as it rises. So it's kind of near the tow line for some people. 23, 25. It's kind of a weird signal. I don't know. It's kind of faint and it's kind of a little bit jumpy, I would say. Now it's a little clearer. I'm thinking it might be a dime. I keep leaving the pinpointer feature on by mistake. It takes a little getting used to that you have to press it again to release it when you use it. Well, something in here. Here it is. Alright, we got our first dime on the board, folks. So I'm glad about that. First dime with the Knox 600. It's a nice shiny one. Okay guys, I think I had my first good signal in quite a while. I've just been getting little bits of scrap metal and foil of late. But I'm in the high beach area, well south of the pier. I'm getting a 20. I think it's 8 to 10 inches deep, so I'm going to get after it. Been noticing another detectorist about 250 yards south of me, and he's going up and down perpendicular to the beach, to the surf that is, and he is dragging his scoop, so that might be the guy I had noticed earlier. It's in the pile. Where did it? Oh, here it is. It's a coin of some type. Looks like it's a Lincoln penny, but it's got a lot of sand caked on it. I think it's probably a Union Shield design. Okay, so I met a guy using an Equinox 800. I spoke to him. His name was Lanny, and he put an oversized coil on the Knox, and he was working the tide line to the high beach area pretty methodically in a grid pattern. I didn't ask him if he had found much, but I told him I had had kind of a slow day so far. He said he was new to the area. So working my way back to the pier about mid-beach. I've been trying to wet to no avail, so I'm trying up here on the dry now. I have it in beach mode 1. Getting a 25, as you can see. 24, 25, 25. So let's get that one. I think it's pretty deep. I think that could be a dime based on what I know about the numbers so far. I don't know, being so new to this machine, I don't really know the tones yet. I think it's a little bit on the left side of this hole. Let's get one more scoop. Pretty deep, like I thought. It's in the pile. Okay, so we're on the board with another dime. This one's been there a while, so that's a good sign. A nice red dime.
So J-Man is here from Metal Sharks, and I met Beach PirateHunter.
That's what's up.
Hey, how's it going?
Going good, brother, man. Boom, babies, man. Yesterday, we hit it big yesterday, baby. We found ourselves a nice 14K rose gold diamond ring off in the cuts over there. The cuts are really, really good right now because of the storm crystal coming through. And then we also found a 925 Pandora ring all kind of off in this area right here yesterday. Yesterday was a good day, man. So, but yeah, my buddy out here, he's doing his thing. He's got the 600 Equinox out here today. Hopefully we'll get some goodies, baby.
Yes,
and
sir.
Yeah, man. Shout out, subscribe to his channel, my peoples. Man, he's a good guy. What's your channel?
It's Metal Sharks.
Metal Sharks. All right. So,
Right.
yeah.
Really nice meeting you. And we'll be sure to Metal Sharks subscribers, please check out his channel. And he'll post the findings, I think, from yesterday pretty soon.
Right on.
So you'll be able to check that out.
Will do. Thank y'all
right.
so much.
Thanks a lot.
All
Take
right.
care.
got it right there on the scoop. First penny in the wet for the Knox.
Could you tell us about what you're out here doing today?
So first, welcome to Anastasia State Park and the nesting colony of least terns, skimmers, and plovers. So we've got mostly least terns here today. They migrate here from South America, usually arrive sometime late March, early April, and they could be nesting here through August. So this area is roped off to keep people as well as dogs out of there. To give the birds some chance to rest and get caught up with all the energy that they spend during their migration, and then to be able to be as undisturbed as possible during their nesting season.
Well, thanks for all that you guys are doing. That's really important to protect different wildlife so we can, all the generations can appreciate the wildlife.
And I absolutely love it. I get more out of this than I put into it, so yeah, it's a reward to come out and do this.
J-Man here from Metal Sharks with a wrap-up from my time using the Minelab Equinox 600 on its maiden voyage, so to speak. So up here are the coin finds, and of course there were 4 dimes and 4 pennies, as you can see. And just briefly on the dimes, there was a 2015 Philly, real shiny. And then this reddish-hued dime was a 2016. And then the next one is a 2004 Philadelphia, as you can see, and then a 2011 Denver. So over here, I think this is called Red's Ale. It might be like an apple ale or something. So somebody must have had a little party with those, and some of those were eye finds. So did I tear it up on the maiden voyage? Not exactly, but I did have a lot of fun, and it did build my confidence up. For some reason, it was a real dime and penny machine. Didn't get any quarters or nickels, but at least I broke the ice and got more comfortable with the Knox 600. And literally while I was out there, about halfway through my hunt, I realized I didn't know how to ground balance it. So I used this, I looked up Relic 30 Hands tutorial on that. That's a metal detecting channel out of Canada that's been really helpful to me.